Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send credits to friends on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, you'll see this kind of map interface. Now, in order to send credit to friends, you need to go to the gift center. Here you can see the gift icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now that you're in the gift center, you need to tap on the send gifts option. Tap on it. As you can see, there are three options over here: Bingo Blitz credits, power up packs, and spin packs. Make sure that Bingo Blitz credit option is selected. Your friend list will be shown over here. You can select the friends who you want to send the credits to. Once you select your friend, you can tap on the send credit option. And there you go, the credit has been now sent. So it's a very easy process to send credits to friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.